Hi guys, today we've got for sale this lovely Crossplane Crank R1 2011 in white, beautiful thing. We've sold this before. It's got some beautiful acro pipes on it. We've got the ASV levers. We've got some crash bungs on there for your added protection. This beauty's got 12,309 miles. Comes with full service history. Let me give this bad boy a little start for you so we can hear this. This is so nice. Listen to this. Oh, listen to that. Absolute beauty. So, there you go, 2011 Crossplane Crank R1, ASV levers, acro pipes, crash bobbins, full service history. You know where we are.
Hi, I'm Nick and thank you for watching the video. Just to let you know, the bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine-tooth comb and we will put a 3-month parts and labour warranty on it. We're so confident it's a good bike that we're happy to extend that for 1, 2 or even 3 years. We also offer finance and PCP on all our bikes, subject to status, and the PCPs are on bikes up to 4 years old. So if you like it, give us a call and get it bought before somebody else does. Thank you. Cheers.